For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Once again today, I would like to take a look at a news-based trade. This is a little different than the ones we've been doing over the past couple of sessions. This is brought to you by TradeTheNews.com. All the news that's fit to trade, you are going to find it right there. You guys asked for a bundle with some of the stuff that we do. I've got that in the works for you, and I'll let you know as soon as it's available. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. This happened today. QCOM hearing chatter that Starboard might be building an activist stake, might join JANA in pushing for a spinoff of the chip unit. Well, that sent the stock moving higher, but it's a little different than takeover chatter. Takeover chatter, we are immediately looking to fade the trade. In a case like this, with these activist posts, they happen quite frequently. Here's what you want to look for. You want to see a big move, pushes the stock higher right on the heels of the news, and then definitely have an inflection right at a pivot line. If there's no pivot line there, just avoid the trade. Don't do it. But if there is, like in this case, 67.96 central pivot, I just rest the stop right underneath there, about 67.94, and put a stop loss right above it, about 67.99 or so, maybe 68.01, and put the target down here at 67.67. Look what happens. You get a really clean move. You get picked up on the short sale, brings you straight down to 67.67. It reverses, goes higher. These are a little different than the planned trades. Right on the planned trades, we would always take a second entry. On a trade like this one, we need to sort of think through what the rationale is behind getting in again. Why is it pushing higher here? Is there more news circulating? I couldn't find anything this morning, but then I saw this bar right here form what I call an infield fly pattern. And look what happened. You've got a little bit less of a target, at least initially, right? Because you're now moving from here down to here at 67.67. But if you're handling this one manually, the first thing you're going to be thinking is, I might get a move down just below here like I did the last time around. So once I hit 67.67, I'm going to start trailing a stop and hope that I get down into this 67.57 range. Well, and then look what happened. All the way down to $67.44. You had a move from the central pivot down to S1. Then you had a move from the central pivot down through S1 and all the way down to S2. That's the way you look for opportunities using Trade the News. Remember, guys, we've got a $7 open house going on. You can try all of my services for $7 for 2 weeks. That includes the first hour trading pit, the daily income trader trading plan, the NASDAQ scalper trading plan, and stock trading 101 and 201 to get you up to speed on the basics of the market and on how to structure a trading plan and enter orders. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading week this week. I hope you have an even better one next week. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.